Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the left side only audio issue in CapCut for PC. So in here, you can just open the video that you want to fix. So for example, this video, the audio of this video is only heard from the left side. So if you want to fix it, you can just open your video in CapCut PC, and after that click on the video here on the timeline, go to the audio settings, and then here under the basic you can just scroll down until you find these channels options. So this channels settings, it will takes the audio from one channel and fills it on the other one. So if it's only on the left side, you can just use this. So let's turn it on, click on this. So change it from none into fill left with right, so you can fill the audio from a left, you can just fill right with left, so you can just choose between these two. So because the video is left side only, you can just click on the fill right with left, this one, and that's it. It will fix the audio. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.